today that all you see is violence in movies and sex on TV? But where are those good old-fashioned values on which we used to rely? Lucky there's a family guy. Lucky there's a man who positively can do all the things that make us laugh and cry. He's a family guy. Thanks for putting up with all my helium antics. We just have a lot of helium balloons from a party, so I need to put it into good use. And I sound like a child, I know that. But, hey!
Ooh, hey, regular voice.